All, Vinod here from Entrance Engineering Academy. Before going into the video, I just want to say a few things about Entrance Engineering Academy. So EEA is an online GATE preparation portal, and we offer full course for GATE ME and XE. In addition to that, subject courses are also available for ME, XE, CE, and PI. Engineering mathematics course is available for all stream, and in addition to that, we offer online test series for GATE ME and XE also. So this is our website. You can just check out so that you will get to know more about us. And in addition, we have our own Android app and also iOS app, and you can just go through that also to know more about our courses. Okay. And this is our last year, that is GATE 2021 result from XE. So this is a video which is going to be suitable for the students who are who are going to write their GATE in third year. Okay, they are planning to write their GATE in third year, and then anyways they will be writing their final year, that is the second attempt also, because as we know that recently they introduced that third year students can also write the GATE. So this video will be very much useful for the students who are planning to write their GATE during their third year. Okay, now coming to next point. The next point is, you are preparing for GATE, but you don't have that much time. Okay, so maybe it is not maybe the situation. Maybe you are in the period of October or November. You have less time, but you still want to get some decent mark in GATE. Okay, so for those two students, okay, so for initially the first students are the students who are going to write their GATE in third year. Okay, so what they should do, and similarly you have less time, you have only 3 months or 3.5 months, okay, or 4 months maybe. Okay, so but you don't have that much knowledge. Okay, so you have some basic knowledge only, so you are planning to prepare for GATE and you want to get some decent mark. Okay, because in 3 months I am guaranteedly saying that you cannot get 80 plus. It's not possible. Okay, minimum 6 months is required. Okay, and even if you are starting from zero, that is if you are starting from scratch, then it required even more. Okay, so with 3 months there is no possibility for getting 80 or 75, but you can get some decent rank. And how you are going to plan that, that's what I'm going to say. Okay, come on, let us go for the video. So the students who are writing their first attempt, that is third year, or the students who have less time. Okay, now what I'm going to give the plan is, I'm going to dedicate this video completely for mechanical only. Similar way other departments also they can plan, because I'm going to list out the subjects of mechanical, but similarly if you are from other department you can plan it. The first and foremost thing is maths and general aptitude. Okay, so that is something which is compulsory. You cannot skip any part of it. So what to do for mathematics and aptitude? Simple. You just have to learn the concepts clearly. Okay, you have to learn the concepts clearly. For that you can you can take help from any books, or you can join any classes or online classes or whatever. Okay, so concepts very well. Then the very important thing is all previous year questions of all department. You don't need to do 1990s, 1995, 1996. Only for the past 20 years or even for the past 15 years, latest questions. Okay, latest 15 years question, past 15 years question, latest question, 15 years questions will be more than enough. But the important point is you need to do for all the departments. Okay, not only for, if you are from civil, don't do it only for civil. Okay, try to do it for all the departments. Okay, and similarly for general aptitude also, you need to learn the concepts. You can take help from the book, or you can take help from any classes, and then you need to practice all the previous year questions of all the departments. Again, I'm stressing it, only the latest 15 years question. You don't need to do 1995, 1996, those things. Okay, so these two itself, okay, if you understood all the concepts properly and if you practice the questions properly, I'm not asking you to mug up the questions. You need to understand the questions and you need to practice it. If you do that properly, then I'm damn sure it's very easy for you to get something around 20. Okay, something around 20. See, mathematics has an weightage of 13 and general aptitude has an weightage of 15. But in general aptitude, English will also be there, so I'm not including that English. So if you are able to get 8 out of 15, that is good only. I'm not including the English. If you are able to get some marks in English also, well and good, very good, because you can improve the score better, right? But normally I'm not going to concentrate on that. Okay, if you are able to get a good score in logical reasoning and quants, that is something around 8, it's good. Okay, so mathematics 13, it's very easy for you to get 13 also, but if you are able to get some 12, then good. 12 plus 8, something around 20, 21. Okay, so 21 out of 28. Okay, so that should be your plan. And for getting that, nothing else is required. You need to understand the concepts properly, do all the previous year questions of all department. That's it. Okay, now coming to this, for mathematics, if you are interested in any video courses, you can just check out our institute also. We are also offering mathematics video course, and even we are offering study material also. Link is there in the description, you can check out if you are interested. Now let us go for the next thing. A, B, C. I'm dividing the core subjects into 3 parts. That is how in the syllabus also they would have divided. The first part is design part, engineering mechanics, strength of materials, theory of machines, machine design. Second part is thermodynamics, applied thermodynamics, heat transfer, fluid mechanics and machineries. I'm including the hydraulics also here. And in the third part, production, material science and industrial engineering. Industrial engineering covers all the 3. Okay, there is production planning and control, OR, and also the other part, inventory controls. Okay, so all those things will be there in this. Okay, now coming to the plan, as I said already, one is compulsory. The compulsory one was math plus GA. You cannot skip it. What to do also I already said. Now coming to one option. Okay, so one compulsory topics, this is the combo. Okay, max combo you need to take, max plus GA combo you need to take, and one optional. So what you need to choose? C. As I already said that you are in 3rd year or you have limited time for preparation, then obviously I won't recommend you to read all the subject. That is not going to work out also. Okay, so you can take you can prioritize your subjects. Okay, you can just make some priority, and based on that you can work. And how to decide that priority, that is what I'm going to say here. Okay, listen, for if you are from other department also, the similar case, you can prioritize based on your weightage. Okay, the same thing was I'm also going to do based on the weightage only. Okay, listen, first option which you have, okay, very simple option, you choose either A fully. Okay, that is you study mechanics, strength of materials, storm and machine design fully, or you study B fully, TD, applied TD, heat transfer, fluid mechanics, or you study C fully, production, material science and industrial. Okay, plus one small subject. What is that one small subject? Let me say, suppose if you are going to choose A, that is you are going to study mechanics, storm, TOM and MD, machine design, then my suggestion is you can include TD also, basic thermodynamics, not applied thermodynamics. Okay, don't include applied thermodynamics, choose basic thermodynamics, or you can choose heat transfer. Okay, they are easy subjects. Okay, and also they are small subject. You cannot choose FM, it's bit lengthy subject, it's not possible, but you can prefer thermo or heat transfer, you can add it. So 4 subjects from one set, and then you can choose any small. If you don't want thermal, you can go for C and you can choose industrial. That could be the better option, because industrial is small subject and also very easy to understand. Okay, you can learn industrial in some 4 days or 5 days if you are having a proper source, if you registered for some good online courses, or if you have some proper study material or proper source, you can complete it in 3 or 4 days. Okay, so maximum 10 days. Okay, you can complete the whole subject. Okay, right. Yeah, so that is what. So if you are choosing A, then you can choose some small subject. Either you can go, that is one small subject, you can go for TD, or you can go for heat transfer, or you can go for industrial. You are not going for A, you are going for B. Then what you can do? In A, I won't recommend anything. Machine design is a small subject, but weightage was less. Okay, weightage was less. Mechanics, it seems to be small subject, but there are lots of concepts to be learned from that. So my suggestion will be, if you are choosing B, then go for industrial. That is, choose B plus industrial. Okay, right. If you are going for C, you will be having more options. Okay, your options will be something like you can choose C plus TD or heat transfer. Okay, yes, yeah, that's it. I don't recommend anything to be taken from this. So C plus TD or C plus heat transfer. So that is your first option. Okay. Again, as I said that I'm dividing it based on the weightage, right? The weightage is something like it will be almost equally divided. This section A, that is design part, will have 23 to 25 marks. Okay, this part B will have 23 to 25 marks, and part C will have 23 to 25 marks. So you choose anything. Minimum, the minimum you will be able to attend 23 marks. Okay, plus I said one small subject, right? So industrial alone, it is something like 6 to 8 marks. Okay, if you are choosing it. TD alone, it is something like 6 to 8 marks. Heat transfer, it is a bit less, only 4 or 5. Sometimes it will go to 7, 8. It depends on the paper. Okay, right? Yeah, that's it. So approximately we will keep 5 or 6. Okay, we'll keep 5 also. Okay, so 23 plus 5, then approximately 28. Already, or else even 6 is also fine if you are not choosing heat transfer. Okay, if you choose TD, okay, as your one small subject, even you can get 6. Okay, 5 or 6, whatever. Okay, approximately 29 or something like that. So 29 plus 21, it is something like 50. Okay, you are preparing approximately for 50 marks. Okay, this is the first option. Okay, but the factor here is you need to prepare all the subjects properly. No subject has to be prepared superficially. You need to prepare it properly. The concepts, previous year questions, test series, everything has to be done properly. Okay, because you could see that you are preparing only 5 subjects, okay, approximately. Then you are leaving, for example, if you are choosing A plus this, then you are leaving 3, 4, 5, 6 subjects. You are leaving approximately 6 subjects, right? So if you are doing that, then the subjects which you are preparing, you need to be strong. That is something which is important, because if you are giving first attempt, okay, you are giving first attempt, that is in your 3rd year, okay, or the person who started late, okay, maybe you are in a final year, you started late, you have limited time, I need to get some good marks in that limited time. Okay, you are planning like that, you are going to give the first attempt. In that first attempt, you need to become expert in that few subjects. That will be my recommendation. Different persons will say different things, but my recommendation is, if you are becoming expert, for example, you are choosing first option, and if you are becoming expert, then in the second attempt, you can concentrate on the subjects which you left out, and you can periodically revise the subject which you studied in your first attempt. Okay, so what you will be doing in the second attempt? The second attempt, you will be concentrating on all the new subjects which you left out. Example, you take an A plus TD. Okay, then you left out applied TD, heat transfer, FM1, production, industrial. And then during the second attempt, you will concentrate on this new subject, plus you will concentrate on the revision of whole subject. This revision is also very important. I already made many videos, and in many videos also I already said about this revision. I will add that the periodical revision also in the regarding that video in the description. Okay, so this is how you can improve your score. Okay, if you have less time, or if you are in a 3rd year, if you are not maximum, I won't recommend you to aim for 80, or I won't recommend you to aim for 75 if you have just 4 months or 3 months, or if you are in 3rd year. My recommendation will be, in first attempt, you try to attempt as many questions as possible from the subjects which you are learning. Okay, so fix some 7 subject, master it. Okay, master it. After that, 7 subject means what? 5 core subjects and 2 max plus GA. Okay, so master it. Then during your second attempt, master the new subject and keep revising the old subject. This is how you can improve your score. Just going through all the subjects randomly, just superficially studying, just what I could say, just reading the formulas and going and writing the exam, it won't help you. It might help you for scoring some marks in that attempt, okay, but it won't help you in improving in your second attempt. Okay, so yeah. So that is the first option, right, as I said already. So approximately 50 marks you can attempt. Now coming to second option. My second option, my favorite one, honestly. Okay, second option is my favorite one, and I will say why it is also. Mechanics plus SOM or TOM. It's up to you. Okay, mechanics plus, either you can go for SOM or you can go for TOM. Any one of this. Okay, not both. This is OR. Okay, this is OR. Mechanics, SOM or TOM. Okay, theory of machines or strength of materials. Plus thermodynamics plus fluid mechanics. I'm not asking you to study hydraulics. You can leave hydraulics, only fluid mechanics. Okay, you can concentrate full on fluid mechanics. You can leave hydraulics. Plus industrial. Okay, so mechanics approximately 3 to 6 marks, SOM or TOM, whatever, 6 to 8 marks, TD approximately 5 to 7 marks, FM 5 to 7 marks, industrial 6 to 8 marks. See, one thing you need to understand, I'm trying to give as low score as possible. Okay, minimum. Okay, minimum you can attempt 50 marks if you prepare the first option plus max plus GA. And similarly, in the second option, 3, 9, and that is 14, it is 19, it's 25, right? Approximately 25. Okay, so 25 plus 21, 46. So minimum you can attempt 46. It is minimum. Okay, if I calculate maximum, how much it is going? 6, 14, 21, 28, and it is 36. So 36 plus 21, it's going for 57. So maximum it is any whatever may be, but minimum you can attempt 46 marks. Okay, and my favorite is second option. I will say why. Listen, the fact here is you will be becoming very strong in your basics if you choose your second option. Why? See, or even first option is also fine, but in the first option if you choose C, okay, then it is not going to be that much helpful. I will say why it is. See, listen, mechanics, very basic subject. Okay, very basic subject. And application of this mechanics will be coming in strength of materials, it will be coming in theory of machines, it will be coming in fluid mechanics also. All are interconnected subjects. Now, if you choose first option, okay, that is you are going to study, for example, if you are going to study B plus industrial, then in fluid mechanics, you need some concepts of mechanics. That time what you will do? Of course, in our course which we are teaching, what I will be doing is I will be recollecting the concepts of engineering mechanics. When I am teaching fluid mechanics, I will be giving you some hints related to whatever the concepts related to mechanics, engineering mechanics. But if you are studying in general, then it will be a problem, right? So that is what I am saying. Second option is my favorite because it will connect. Okay, mechanics can be connected with strength of materials, can be connected with theory of machines, can be connected with fluid mechanics also. And the more importantly, you are covering all the basic subjects. Okay, mechanics is a basic subject, strength of materials basic subject, thermodynamics basic subject, fluid mechanics basic subject. You are covering all the basic subjects. So once if you become strong in basic subject, you will start feeling the subject, and once you can, like, you will gain more confidence. Okay, so that is why the second option is favorite. And of course I added industrial to this set because of its weightage and also the subject easiness. The subject is very easy and it has good weightage, so I kept industrial in my second option. Okay, so all these are important and basic subjects, EM, SOM, TD, FM. I'm including industrial because it will increase my marks. Okay, and easily it will increase your marks. Now coming to third option, production plus industrial plus TD. Okay, that is you are choosing C plus TD. It is something like I'm just skipping this material science. Okay, I'm not reading the material science, only that is the difference, which is approximately, if you take 23, so 23 plus 5 or 6, then approximately 28. I won't recommend you to go for third option. Okay, third option I'm just keeping it just as an option, but I won't recommend. If you want, you go for first or you go for second option. Okay, these are the two. My recommendation is second option. If you have more time, okay, you completed all the subjects of second option, you completed math and GA, you have more time, then you can include a subject. Okay, it depends on your time. Okay, now only reading the concept will it be enough? Of course not. Okay, you need to learn the concepts, you need to practice properly, you need to revise properly, and then you need to give test series. All these four are essential one. Okay, test series you might ask, sir, like I'm studying only for 50 marks, then if I take mock test, then what is the necessary what is necessary to take it, because mock test will have all the 100 marks, right? My recommendation is write only what you know. Okay, you studied only second option plus max and GA, means attempt only that subjects. If you are attempting 50 marks, out of that 50, how much you are getting, you see that. That is important for you. Self improvement is important for you. You are not aiming for 80, you are not aiming for 90. In your first attempt, that is, if you are in third year, you are going to attempt in third year, or you have limited time, then this should be your aim. Okay, so by doing this, see, I am saying one thing. Instead of doing all these things, you can just take the previous year question books and you can solve all the previous year question books, and then just by mug-upping the formulas, you can get some 30, 35, 40, you can get it. Okay, in an easy way. Okay, just going through the formulas and then mug-upping, doing the previous year question, you can get it in the easy way. But that will not help you for your second attempt. If you are planning for second attempt, you are in third year, or you are even in final year, you are going to take a break of next year, then my recommendation is, for in your first attempt, try to develop yourself. Suppose if you are in this level, develop it in this level. Suppose this is the level you need to reach for getting a good rank. During your first attempt, from here you reach here. Okay. Now during second attempt, from here you reach here. Okay, that step-by-step process can happen only if you able to do these things. If you understand the subjects properly, practice properly, revise properly, and attempt the test series even in your first attempt itself. Okay, so regarding revision, I already made a video. I will attach it. Regarding practice, from where to practice, what to practice, I already made a video. I will attach it in the description. Regarding concepts, for that also even I already made a video. If you are interested in online classes, okay, so if you want to register for subject course also, or if you are going to write third year and you are planning it to write it after 2 years, okay, if you are planning it like for example, you are writing 2022 GATE 2022, that is your first attempt, and you are planning it for GATE 2023 also, that is your second attempt. That is, you will be improving in your first attempt and you will be going for the second attempt, okay, with the full-fledged. Then we have 2 years course also. Okay, you can if you are interested, you can register for that also. Regarding the concept, that's what. Okay, and what is our course? Our course has everything. It has we will be delivering the concepts in a crystal clear manner. Then we will be giving you problems for practice. We have practice test, we have subject test, and we have full course. We have full test. And how to revise all those things, I already made a video, and regularly we will be conducting a live sessions also. So that is what a short details about my video, about our video courses. If you are interested, you can just check out our website. You can WhatsApp us so that so that we can have an interaction also if you are interested. Now, so that's it. So regarding concepts, either you are doing self-study or going for coaching or whatever, you need to be clear about it. Then you need to apply it in the problems when you are practicing it. And when you are practicing it and when you are revising the problems, you don't need to revise all the problems. You need to follow the star mark technique. Okay, so just star mark all the tricky problems, critical problems, and you can revise only those problems. Okay, you don't need to revise all the problems. And next thing is short notes. Okay, short notes and then formula. Okay, formula notes, or you can say that micro notes. Okay, short notes. Regarding short notes also, I already made a video. Regarding formula notes or micro notes, it is very simple. Take a paper, write all the formulas related to that topic. Okay, so just in a single, for example, if you take A3 sheet, okay, something like a chart, you can write a single subject formula in a complete subject. For example, thermodynamics, you can write all the formulas of thermodynamics in a single sheet. That will be very useful for revision. You can write it everything and you can paste it before your wall. Okay, regarding that also I already made a video when it will be useful, formula sheets. Okay, that will be very much useful when you are writing mock test. Okay, I already made a video on that also. I will add that in the description. Okay, so regarding each and everything, I already made a video separately. Okay, so here in this video, I just want to give you the, splittage of subjects. Okay, so if you are planning it in long term, first attempt you are giving and you are planning it for second attempt, then in the first attempt, you study only that subject, 7 subject. Become very strong in that 7 subject. Then go for second attempt with new subjects, parallelly revision of older subject. Okay, so that is my suggestion. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful. Okay, thank you.